Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really sweet Christmas card. I cased this card idea from Julie Gilson. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I loved her card, and I just changed it up a little bit. And we're going to make the Seaside Spray version today. But if you want to check out the Highland Heather version that we made in the glitter pit yesterday, you can click the link down below in the description box, and it will take you right to the video on my blog. Okay, and we color the ribbon and everything over there. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this card is really simple and easy to mass produce if you're wanting to make like a bunch of Christmas cards. So the Whisper White is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then the Seaside Spray, this piece is cut at 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. Whisper White piece is cut at 3 by 4 1/2. And then the piece of the designer paper called Feels Like Frost. This is the double-sided designer paper that's in the holiday catalog. And this side is all silver and white, which is awesome. And these are the stripes. So this piece is cut at 3/4 by 4 1/2. This is going to be on the Whisper White piece right here. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our stamps. So I'm going to be using the Seaside Spray Classic Ink. And we're going to use this Snowflake and then also this Merry and Bright Greeting. Let me show you the stamp sets. So the snowflakes come from the Free Skate stamp set. The set also has some beautiful greetings as well. So if you don't have the Everything Festive, which is what we're using for the Merry and Bright, you can also use one of the greetings from this stamp set, which is beautiful. All right, so we're going to go ahead and stamp our little Whisper White piece. Remember, this is the 3 by 4 1/2 piece of Whisper White. We're going to go ahead and cover this with the little snowflake stamp. Okay, so now remember, this piece right here at the very bottom is going to get covered up. So I mainly wanted to cover the top piece, which I'm going to go ahead and fill these little white sections right here in with a couple snowflakes. Okay, so now we're all set. So now we're going to take our designer paper. Remember, this is the Feels Like Frost. Go ahead and put some snail on the back side of this. We're going to put this at the bottom edge. Like that. I'm going to take the Seaside Spray ribbon. This is in the Occasions catalog along with the Feels Like Frost designer paper. So we're just going to go ahead and put some adhesive on the back side, and then we're just going to wrap the ribbon right above that designer paper to kind of cover up that line of the designer paper and the Whisper White. Get my scissors. So this is the front layer. Then we're going to layer this onto the Seaside Spray. Okay, now we're going to do some more stamping. I'm going to stamp our greeting, the Merry and Bright. I have a piece of scrap here. So I'm going to also stamp this with the Seaside Spray Classic Ink. And I went ahead and already run this through the Big Shot. So I cut the Merry and Bright and then also the scallop out with the layering oval dies. And I used these two sizes right here. Let me see. We got 2 by 3 is the straight edge. And then the scallop that layers right over that will be the next size up. Okay. And I went ahead and did this layer here that was behind this layer. So I wanted to show you that I did cut that out. I just didn't do it on this piece. So, but you can utilize that piece that you're layering behind the Whisper White to cut out your scallop, okay? So I went ahead and already did all that. I'm gonna layer these two pieces together. I'm gonna pop this up on dimensionals. So we're gonna position this right over top of that ribbon. Then we're going to grab the ribbon again. We're going to tie a little bow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to grab some mini glue dots. We're going to attach the bow with mini glue dots to the side of the Merry and Bright. So I'm just going to add a few of the mini glue dots over there. Just going to pop this up there. Okay, so we're going to add some more dimensionals to this back side of this layer here. Then we're going to put this onto the Whisper White base. Okay, so there's a couple more things we're going to do to this card. We're going to add some basic rhinestones. Just going to add a few scattered across over top of the snowflakes. That's good. Isn't that beautiful? So then one more thing, you can also spray it with some shimmer paint, which is what I did to my finished one here. So let me show you that one again. So here's this one, and of course the shimmer paint's not going to show up, but the champagne mist is my favorite. So I mix that with rubbing alcohol and then spray that over top of the card. So then here's the Highland Heather version again when we colored the ribbon. Okay, so you want to check that out. The link is listed below. And then I also have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.